Hi, welcome to my studio. It's Bonnie. I am so excited. I got my package that I've been waiting for from the Grace Company for a week and a half now, and I'm so excited. So let me just take my paper scissors and cut the box open because I wanted to share this with you. Wow, they pack stuff really, really well. I like that. Throw the paper aside. Ooh, the Cutie Channel Locks. Man, these are hefty. Let me open this. Huh? Always, the Grace Company always supplies pretty good installation. So there's the installation guide to how to install these, and the Cutie Channel Locks come in 3 parts. So there's the smaller ones that go for your lower carriage, and if you're using your domestic machine on the original flat Cutie carriage, upper carriage with the handles. So you have 2 of those, one for the lower and one for the upper. But if you're like me and you have a Unique machine, then you have to have the one with the larger flange that will go behind the wheel on your machine. So can't wait to get that. I have been really wanting those. And then, wow, look at that packaging for the Wonderfoot. Dang. Oh, it's a magnetic box. Cool. What's this? What is this? Wow. An instruction manual. Wow, very, very detailed. Oh, and what's the, okay, this is a couple of practice sheets. Yeah, practice sheets. Oh, and of course it comes again with the new collar and a replacement foot if you have the old situation. And I love, love, love these. They come with these, all the feet come with this little metal sizing thing. What this is for is that's to, when you install your feet, you use this to make sure that you have the foot down on the bed of the sewing machine enough. And so you've heard people talk about using a credit card on their domestics to see if they're down low enough on their machine bed with their presser foot when they're using a ruler foot or something. I can guarantee you this thing is not half as deep as a credit card. So the credit card is too much height on your feet. And it also always comes in with they've even replaced the needle thumb bar screw. That's I can't even get that up there so you can see it. It is tiny, but they've replaced the thumb bar screw. So I will check to see if I need to use a new screw or if I have the old one. Almost every one of my feet came with goodies like this. I am so excited now. So I have some playing to do as soon as I get my quilt finished, and I'm getting pretty far along on that. I'm almost at the end of it where I'm ready to bind. So you'll be seeing more of me soon on that. And sorry, I've been waiting for this and I'm so excited. So I just wanted to share, and I will see you all later. Bye, quilt on.